I'm just recording to show you a performance. Okay. 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 So I told you to create increment and decrement button with different files of code. So this is previous one. So the existing one we don't need right now. So we're just trying to improve this. So it's better to go with a new file, right? Can you go with a new file?
What?
Okay. Yes. So we need to create a new file to create increment and decrement button using the keyboard even. Okay. Okay.
But
So
I don't know what happened.
I'll guide you. I'll guide you how to do it. Okay.
Press this. Press it.
Create two methods. Create two methods first. Okay. So you can use this. Okay. You can use this now. Okay. You can use this code. Okay. So let's go through this now. Okay. So you have FWD and BWB LEFRIG. So this code is enough to go, I think, right? So you can develop that inside this code. Okay, it doesn't matter to check other things. Okay, let's go through this file. Okay, so now you should have the keyboard even. So the previous is much better to go with that. Okay, can you go with the previous? Okay. Do you want to go with that code?
What?
Okay, so let's go with the keyboard even. So there's no keyboard events inside this code.
What's the project name?
Okay, the name is increment and decrement. That is a button really, it's a keyboard button. So plus minus to increase the brush size and decrease the brush size. Okay. It's an increment, so it's a basic increment we use in the programming concept.
Okay.
Okay, great. Okay. So first create the, so you have to import the turtle class. You know how to import the two classes we need to here. And then create an object from the turtle, and then you can use that. Okay. No, okay, you can use the direct turtle, that doesn't matter. Okay. 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 So now here, create a keyboard even. If we press C key, it should draw a circle. Okay, do that now. And let's do that the rest of the thing. Okay. You know how to create the keyboard even. First, you have to create a function to draw a circle first. Okay. Okay. So that is the shape of the turtle. Now create a function. Def draw circle may be the name. Yes. Okay. 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 This is maybe the name. And okay. That's okay. And you know how to create the method? It should have a colon and the brackets. You forgot that. Okay. I'm recording. All right. I don't know what you mean. Okay. That's why I suggest to go with previous one. Okay, but anyway, no, we can't create a, can I have the control help on this? Okay, 1 minute. Okay, let me control this. Okay, thank you. You know how to create a method, so method should have a brackets and colon. You forgot that. You forgot that. Okay. Okay. So you can now create that. So what do you want to create? When you call this, okay. It's only single operation, so we don't need to code much thing here. So the purpose is different. You're trying with increment and okay. Just draw a circle with 100, so that's okay. We're trying for there. Okay. You want to change the color, pen size, so pen color. Oh, you're just creating a new turtle. Do you want to go with the turtle? Okay, it doesn't matter, right? Just use turtle. Okay, we don't need an object, so it's for the testing. Okay, directly you can use. Okay, do you want to go with TTL? Okay. Okay. So okay. 100.
The 10.
Okay, come below and go to the 9th line and call that DTC. Just call DTC and open bracket and close bracket to confirm the method whether it's working or not. Okay, go to the line number 9. It's the exit from the method, so it's still you are in the method, inside the method. Still you are inside the method. So you have to come forward. Okay. Just call it an open close bracket and run this code and let's see. Okay, that's it. Now we don't need to put anything inside. Okay. So you're running the previous one. You know how to run the first time. So
9.
you know, do you know how to run the code first time when you create? You don't need to put anything inside the right. I'm recording. Okay.
Oh, I have the turtle done. That's so good.
Okay, just so if you want a turtle inside that, turtle.shape, inside the turtle.shape, you can put the turtle there. That's a shape. Okay. Okay. Oh, you said the done. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Run this now. No. You know how to run this. Right click and run it. It's a problem with your okay. Okay, the ttl.circle pen is not there. Okay. So the object creations. So let me help on this, okay? So it should be like this.
I think another problem. I think another problem is this.
Make that turtle okay, equal capital T, and it should be a function, okay? It's a class, you know, okay. Okay, fine. That's working. Okay, fine. Okay, that's working. You can keep that. Okay.
No, but I have to make it bigger, and I have to
Okay.
make 20. See now? Fine. Okay, and I.
Okay, that's
have
drawing now. Okay, that's working perfectly. Now we don't need to draw here. So I would like to see the number instead of the drawing. So I'm just disabling this temporarily. So let me disable. Just print 1 there. Okay. I mean, so we are not doing a graphical work right here. So we're just trying to increase numbers and decrease numbers. Okay, fine, but it's fine. Okay, it's fine. Okay, let me do something with this code. Okay, here. So guys, everyone, you can listen here. So we need this code to implement to change the size, brush size, while we're drawing some drawing. So we need this code. Okay, here, I'm just printing the numbers. Oh, let's print inside another line. Print. Okay, print. Let's print inside the quotation 1 right now. Okay. Okay, if you call this method. Okay. So we can use for the increment. Oh, you ran this. Can you see inside the console? Can we see that 1? Yeah, we can see the console. You can see, guys. I'll annotate. Wait a while. It's here. The 1 is here. 1 is here. Okay. So here. So can you find that? So okay, let's code this for inside a key. Okay, let's assign this inside a key. Okay, let me try the code. So here, let's try the code for on key. You know, for the on key, you need a screen to be initialized there. And also the size, the screen, you need to initialize here. So that you need another class for on key. Okay, go with another code which has on key and copy the code above. You have to put the screen. You have to initialize that. Okay. So only you can use on key without the object creations. It will source error. Okay. We need a screen size to, if you, yeah, screen setup. There's a setup, you can see setup, go and setup. On the top, you can see the code. Yes, setup 500,500 and screen. We need that source. Okay. Okay, now you can use that. And also, can you copy all the import classes? Okay, paste. No, you have to paste above this line. Okay. Above, okay, perfect. Okay, now you can write the code on key. So yeah, it doesn't. So you can import another from. Okay. From all, yeah. From turtle import all. Okay. Copy and paste there. Okay.
What's the problem with this?
Okay, so now you can write the on key function below this DTC. Okay. On key, you know, the function name and comma, and then on key open bracket, DTC, comma, double comma, call the, which key you're gonna assign there. Okay, so increment plus key, plus, use plus symbol. Okay, plus. When you press plus, okay. And now the listen, you forget to listen. The listen key, we haven't used that. Okay. The listen key. Okay. Below this key, we have to listen whether we press in key or not. Have you got that? We have to listen whether we're pressing or not. Okay. Okay. We have to listen. Okay. Okay, that's fine. And run this code and press again. Press again. Can you see the 1 1 1 1 is coming? It's coming again and again. Now, I will check that. Right. Okay. So nearly we got it. Nearly we got it. So now, instead of we saw the only one, we have to increase this. So I'll show you how to increase this now. Okay. So here we can have a global variable. I'll show you. It's a global. So we can have a variable here. It might be a counter. Okay, counter equal. So when we start this, it will be 0. Okay. So let's take this here. So there is a global variable. We can't use that directly. That's why I'm using the global. Okay, 1 minute. That's where we can't. So global. Okay, global. That is the counter. Okay, counter. Okay, this is we're gonna use here, and counter equal counter plus 1. And here in the print, you can print the counter now. So every time when you press the plus key, no, that is not the, no, it won't work. So it's a variable, no? Okay, it's a variable. Okay, run this now. Stop and run this. Okay, so when you press plus key every time, you can see there's an increment like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Okay, press, see here. And next time, have you checked this? So this is maybe the breast size. You can assign this variable for the breast size. So whatever it is in your programming, see here. So now you can draw, you can program, you can code your decrement button. When you press minus key, it should decrease by 1. How can we write this right? When we press minus key, it should go down. Okay, can you write that quickly? Quickly. So don't take much time. Okay, just copy the whole things, DTC, and change. So let's change this increment. Not all, only the method. So let me, okay. So can you change the method names? Okay, let me do this. An instant, sorry, right. So I'm just changing this. So this is not a suitable name for this function. This is, we can see INC for the increment. Okay, you can define here DEC, decrement. Okay, INC, and above that you can define decrement def DEC.
Wait, let me just.
Okay, great. Okay, paste between this. No, you have to paste between this. The only key even should be in the bottom. Okay, so that's okay anyway. But it's much better to have all the key even below. Okay, cut that and paste here. Okay, and change that decrement. Okay, DEC. Okay,
Ink, not ink, but
decrement. That's a decrement. Okay, fine. And the plus, instead of that, you can change the name there and the shortcut, and also the operation there. Okay, decrement. Okay, and there minus key, and also change the operator inside the decrement. It's a plus, you have to make it minus. So which one? That is increment. No. Okay, decrement. Okay, minus 1. It's a plus there. Okay, now let's try this. Run this code and let's see what happened. Now everything is okay. Press plus. Oh, can you plus minus? Oh, okay. Can you go until 10 and can you come back? Okay, you're going with the negative numbers. Okay, and come back. Okay, wow, guys, see here. So now you can change the size, breast size. Okay, Now, after you adding this code inside your program, that means the brush size. So you can use brush size and put this counter. So this is the size. So if you code like pen size here you can put that pen size counter. So you can increase and decrease. Okay, guys. Okay. You can do that now. Okay, do that now. Okay, go with your code, maybe the previous project, with your previous project, and add this code inside the program, and then let's do this. Okay.